Oh boy. Look, I got my fancy shirt on. You respect me? Humble trader. And I own a Mercedes. And I got a free hat with the car that I bought. What up, y'all? I hope these last 48 hours have been the greatest 48 hours of your life. Mind blowing, rip your face off rally into a beautiful dip this morning to be bought into the rip your face rally, and then you cash out. Do you see where this AI stock is? Incredible, right? Another 7,000 percenter. I mean, what's up? So Tejas Pahaha, yeah, lighting kit. I got what are you, a TikToker? I got one of those circular lights where you could put your phone in the middle of it. Now, so here's what you're gonna do. Open up an account with Trade Zero, come to the website, pay for a couple of months, see if you could follow along, even in a paper trading account. And that's how we're gonna do it now. So I'm gonna get everybody a paper trading account, and we're gonna have a contest. Which one of you nudniks could you know, pay attention and make some money? And we'll do it in a paper trading account. If you can't make money in fake accounts, then obviously you can't make money in real accounts. You know? Oh, did I show you the last one? I got a new silver coin. Check this. I got a. Can't really see it. Oh, yeah, you'd see it. I just ordered a whole new bunch of stuff. I'll show it to you when it comes. I got a bunch of gladiator stuff. Not gladiator, Viking stuff. Because I just watched Valhalla. Greatest day ever? Yeah. Best day of the year? Sure. If we rally into the close, it'll be epic. The only thing I got on right now are the lotto plays on the cues. If this hits, it'll be a miracle. I got 3 10s and I got a 312. So I don't even think these are going to work. But we got paid on Apple. We had Apple, Amazon, Google, AI, QQQ, Qualcomm, Ford. Ford was awesome. We gave a little bit back on the rollover, and that's it. Now I'm just stuck with some QQQ calls and a QQQ call spread that's going to expire at the end of the day. Probably won't work out. So what's so special about Trade Zero? Trade Zero is more of a professional platform. They have options, and you could trade with point and click. It's just better access. It's easier to trade with a professional platform. Plus, you got options and all that stuff. But I wanted to talk to the humble trader again. Your video title. Your video title was whatever the video title was. I put it at day trading gurus don't even know how to trade ? You're right. Most don't. You're probably included. I'm sure you don't know what the fuck you're doing. That's why you sit here and making YouTube videos with 1 million subscribers doing 20, 30 grand a month. What do you need to trade for? I'm sure you're clueless just like the rest of them. But again, if you'd like to learn how a day trading guru on YouTube actually makes money, why don't you come talk to me? Or actually, no, you know what? Not even me. It's beyond me. It's my people. Talk to my boy that just made 60 grand today. Talk to my man who's up 3 mil on my ideas. Talk to my brother who's up 40 mil this month. Talk to these people. My little piker lots, me just having fun and goofing around. My 1,000 shares of TBLA ain't changing the world here. My 300 shares of Apple, who cares? Who cares what I did? Who cares what I do? I'm about the people. I'm the true guru because what I do is for other people. I am a true guru. I'm here to help and make sure people make money because of me. That's what a true guru is. It's not about them. I make it about me because it's funny. That's kind of the shtick here. Nah, it's all about me stomping on the so-called gurus that don't know what they're doing, and I'm the whistleblower. I'm the gatekeeper of this industry. Sup, player?
You gotta stop.
What, burning stuff?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
man. I almost burnt my dumplings again. Shit. Well, that's what I got you for. But I just want to say, have a great weekend. This has been the best start of my career. This is the best start of anybody's year, I think, in the history of years. No joke. Best ever, by far. And then to culminate to the culmination or the icing on the cake was today. I mean, I couldn't believe that the market was gapped down this morning. And you could see that nothing was going, they sold it off in the morning. Apple, Amazon, and Google, yeah, they were selling off. But once they started saying the growth story in Apple was over, buy it. The growth story in Apple is over. The growth story in Apple is over. Let me explain why the growth story in Apple will never be over. You see this phone right here? I'm a Jewish man that doesn't like to spend money. Yeah, it's cliche. I know, stereotypical, right? We make money and we just look at it, right? Yeah, blah, blah, blah. But it's kind of true for me. I don't like to spend money. I buy real estate and toys and silver. And I don't really spend too much money. My way of doing things, right? But what I do spend money on, oh, by the way, that's my guru. See, there's the guru. That's me. I am the guru. But this phone, I'm the last holdout. So yeah, I will wait for the battery to not charge up. I will wait for the apps to stop working. I will wait for my app to tell me your app doesn't work on this phone anymore because your phone is old. And then what do? I buy a new phone. It's inevitable. So if you saw the statistic that came out, 228 million phones are set to be updated over the next year and a half. That's not an if, that's a when. We all are addicted to this thing, and we will be purchasing them. And Apple will never not be a growth story. They'll reinvent something, and then you got this. And then they'll improve their Macs, and we'll buy those. And then they'll invent something else, and we'll buy that. We're in the ecosystem. They own us. It's a juggernaut. And you got a chance to buy it today on a dip. But again, that's not the point. I came in thinking, okay, when do I buy Apple? It's a juggernaut. It's awesome. I can't wait to buy this dip. But I still waited. Oh, now it's breaking VWAP. I'm in, Dan. Dan, if you're out there and you still haven't figured out how earnings reversals work, if a stock is below the VWAP that has just reported earnings and then it breaks back over the VWAP, buy the stock, and the prices from where it was before it broke over the VWAP are your stops. But the good thing is, most of the time, when stocks break back over the VWAP that have just reported earnings on the day after they reported or the morning of, the stock tends to go up. Look at Ford, look at Apple, look at Qualcomm, look at SI. Do me a favor. Look at SI. SI, the stock. Yesterday, a news story came out that the company is being investigated for fraud. The most deadly word in the history of trading, fraud. Nobody wants to touch a stock where there's fraud. It broke VWAP and went up 40%. The stock basically said, we might be we might be going out of business. There's probably fraud. We've got nothing going on. Our stock's going to zero. But this morning, it broke VWAP at 18 and it went to $22. If you can explain to me how that actually works, I'd love to hear it. But we don't have to care about that type of shit. As VWAP algorithmic traders, you say, oh, hey, isn't that company being investigated for fraud? Yes, it's breaking VWAP. Buy it. That's it. That's trading. It's not that hard. This company sucks. I can't believe it's not at zero. Oh my God, it's breaking VWAP. Buy it. What's that stock? I don't know. Oh my God, it's up 300% already. Oh my God, it's pulling back to VWAP. Oh wait, it's breaking VWAP. Short it. Oh my God, that stock that we traded yesterday, it's breaking back over the VWAP. Buy it. I don't even know what these stocks are that I traded today. What's KAL? I don't know. But I traded it. I don't know what KAL is. Do you? Do you? I don't know what it is. Don't care. Short it. I saw the stock went, it broke the VWAP earlier today at $6 and it went to 13. And then it broke VWAP at 1082. Short it. Still don't know what it is. Don't care. It's just letters and numbers, and a blue line on my screen. It really is that easy. And some days, no trades work at all. But then there are days where you have this day where every trade works and you absolutely destroy the market. All right? I love you all. Come and join us, man. Come witness the schmooze. We did it again. We crushed it. We crushed it. And right now, I have a lotto play on that there's no chance in hell I'm going to make money on. Zero chance. How do I find the stocks to trade? Open your eyes. Who reported? Every stock works this way. What's GMVD? What's WISA? It doesn't matter. It's just letters and numbers, right? And when you see them breaking VWAP above and below, you just trade it. You could sit here all day. If you don't know how to find out who's reporting earnings, Google. Do you have any idea about how the market works? You're scaring me now, man. You're scaring me, seriously. How do you find out about who reported? The internet. There's a vast amount of information out there. Or join me. I'll tell you what stocks to trade. All right. If you traded Apple and Qualcomm, you just paid for your entire lifetime subscription to my website today. And free dumplings. Fucking love dumplings. And then you give back some money when they roll over. So what? Think I give a shit about this $210 I'm losing? Doesn't matter. You're not going to get every trade right. Anyway, I got to go. Have a great weekend. Seriously, buddy, if you need a lightning kit, I'll meet you at the Wegmans in my neighborhood. I live about 10 miles away from Wegmans. You know Wegmans? You know where Route 9 and Old Bridge? If you really need a lighting kit, like I'm not going to give you the ones I showed you. I got the old one. The round light where you put your camera in there. You need a light kit? I got a light kit. You can have it. It's just sitting in my basement. I'm not giving you the camera. I ain't doing that well. Just handing out $2,000 cameras just to strangers on the internet. Yeah. But I will give you a lighting kit. I don't even know this guy. All right. I'll see you guys. Be careful over the weekend. And, meet me in Vegas. We're going to Vegas, April 23rd to the 28th. Yeah. Then I got to schlep it to Brooklyn. Maybe. I guess I could take it apart. It's basically one screw. But don't just take something from me because you just want to take something. Do you really want it? I got like 400 teenage girls that would appreciate the lighting kit. Holy shnikes. What the hell is going on? No way. What the hell? By the way, did you see? I mean, seriously, you know what the stock is? BBAI. Hey, you want to see disappointing? I bought the stock earlier at $3.95 and I sold it at $4.06 and $4.20, and I haven't looked back. It's at $6 now. Wow. I'm telling you, the market is so sick right now that we bought AI because of the symbol. I don't know what AI does, but AI's become hot. There was a symbol AI. It started as a goof and now it's up. This is the biggest trade we've had all year. Not me personally. My brother's crushing it. I sold it all on Monday. I'm an idiot. But my peoples are all still in it. I shorted it a couple of times and made some shekels. But I really got to run. I'll talk to you. I'm coming to Brooklyn probably again Wednesday. I'll be in the Industry City once or twice. I'm going to be going twice a month. I got to sit Shiva on Monday. I'll probably be in Brooklyn for that. So I'll reach out to you. But you're not taking it to sell it, right? You want it to use it. You're not that guy, right? It's not really worth that much money. I mean, it's a good lighting kit. All right, cool. You want to make TikTok videos? Why don't you be my TikTok guy? I'm assuming you're a guy, right? I don't know. You're a dude, right? Or it furry? You want to make videos on TikTok? I'll dig something else for you. But you got to teach me how to do TikToks, man. I would love that. But Humble Trader, if you're out there, the title of your video, you're looking right at him. Me. Why don't you interview me? I'll tell you what's what. You're scared, aren't you? You're scared of my masculinity. You know, you can't handle it. I'm so masculine. I'm in all of my splendor. You can't handle it. All right. I'm out of here, people. You be careful out there. Seriously, be careful. The market's kind of in flux now. We had the massive move. We got to digest this. All right. Humble Trader. Come on. Me and you, baby. I'll meet you in Brooklyn. Me, you, and Mr. Park. All right. Be careful. See you. Call me, Humble Trader. Call me.